Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to talk about ICE Open Network migration. They gave an update 3 days ago concerning the migration of their ICE in any of the Web3 wallet or exchange to online plus. So if you are holding ICE ticker in any exchange or Web3 wallet, you have to do this immediately. They said that the migration will kick off on 17th of December. And if you're coming across this channel for the first time, you're highly welcome. Please do well to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on the bell notification. You can as well join our Telegram for high value updates. So here is their latest update 3 days ago. They said major announcement. The $ION begins on December 17th. On December 17th, we will officially discontinue the use of ICE token ticker. Did you hear that? On December 17th, they will discontinue the use of ICE token ticker and migrate to our brand new ION ticker, a crucial step in aligning our technology, ecosystem and brand under one unified identity. We all know that ICE Open Network has now have their own app, which is not even centralized. They have their own DPIN app. So they are telling us right now, we the holder of ICE token ticker, to migrate our ICE in whichever wallet you have it to their online plus. So you have to do this. So coming here again, they said here, have you already migrated your ICE to online? If not, here is exactly what to expect, clearly and transparent. You need to swap your ICE to ION, that is bridge. I believe those ones that has their eyes on Trust Wallet or MetaMask, it is already bridged. So you don't need any other bridge format. So all you need is just to migrate it, to copy your online plus and migrate it. It's very, very simple. So these are the steps which you need to take. They say swap your ICE to ION. Your wallet is safety plus the online plus wallet is built with this fully audited and certified, a safe non-custodial MPC wallet with passkey protected by your own biometric data stored only on your device. They are telling you that their online plus wallet is safe and secure. It is a safe custodial MPC. Now they said here, exchange listing. After migration, exchange will begin to announce ION listing. Important, migration will never happen on exchange. Did you hear that? So migration will never happen on exchange. The migration can only happen in their online app. So do not do this yourself. You must migrate through online plus yourself. So you must migrate through online plus yourself. Now they said here, if you don't migrate on December 17th, you can still migrate later, but only through online plus. So it is advisable you migrate before December 17th. After December 17th, you cannot migrate again. You can only migrate through the online plus. So go and do this immediately. So if you don't have online plus app right now, I'm going to drop my link so that you start immediately. Download it and move your app. So once you download your online plus, you come over to your wallet. You can see this is a wallet where you buy, you receive, you swap, and many more. So what you need to do here, they have already labeled it online wallet, ION wallet. So what you are going to do is you click on the receive section, then protect your account. So I have to protect my account. I have to back up email and order. So copy your address and go to your Web3 or wherever you have your ION, that's ICE network, and transfer it here. Make sure that it's already bridged so that you can receive it. So it's very, very important. So right down here you can also see ICE Open Network. Once you tap on the ICE Open Network, this is ION. So you you have your eyes in your exchange or in your web3. So what you do is just to copy the receiving address and send the eyes here. You are going to receive it. It is not difficult. Do this if you have eyes in any of the exchanges. So people are actually active in this project. They have, they say that the more you interact, the more you are getting paid, or even though they have not announced about their monetization. But you can as well be part of this. Keep engaging with the community and you are going to earn something in reward. So that is it for this video. I believe you got value from this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Turn on the bell notification for more updates. Thank you guys.